Are you ready to see what is the easiest way to make money online for beginners? Well, you're going to be shocked with what I show you in this video. The cool thing is, now if you've ever wanted to make money online, what I'm going to show you in today's video is going to be one of the easiest things you can do. And the best part about it is, number one, it's free. And the second best part about this is you don't have to learn anything new. Now the method that I'm about to show you and walk you through some of the numbers and the process, this is one of the ways and my personal favorite way to make money online. I've been doing this since 2006, so over 14 years, and I made a lot of money doing it. So let's jump into the computer and I'm going to show you right now how you can do this exact same thing. So here we go. This website is called udemy.com. Now you're probably wondering, okay, what is this fantasy, this shocking business idea? Well, it's actually creating any type of digital product. And specifically in this video, I want to show you how you can create a digital course. Now, don't go anywhere just yet. First thing I want you to do is smash that thumbs up button because it just helps out the video. It tells YouTube, hey, this is a good video. You should share it with other people as well. Now, why am I telling you about creating a digital course, an online course? It's simple. You already know how to do it. You already have all the knowledge up here. You don't have to do any research. You can start today on day one, start creating your digital course. And you upload it right to udemy.com. Now, let me show you this. Let me just show you something really quick. Okay, home organizing. Are you good at organizing your home? If you are, consider creating a course on that exact same thing. Let me show you why. This person right here, TJ Walker, this is the best-selling course. I'm going to click on this course. Okay, I'm going to open this up. The reason why I want to show you this is because this person, he may have some, next level thinking when it comes to organizing a home. My guess is he doesn't. So he sells his course for $94.99. Let's pull up the calculator. And here's the reason why. $94.99. If he sells it for the full price at almost $95, and he's had 13,225 students go through it, okay, 13,225, that means he would have made $1,256,000 off his course. And that doesn't include the fee that you would pay to Udemy. However, it's probably not that much. Now, my guess is he sells his course probably closer to $19.99 average. Okay, so $13,225 or 25 students times $19.99, he would have made $264,000 off of this one course. Okay, you're probably thinking, why are you telling me this? I'm telling you this because this is one of the easiest ways you can make money. Let's say you have no clue how to organize a home. Don't worry. Let's say you want to get into child development. There we go. Let's say you're really good with child development. That's your specialty. Maybe that's what you do as a day-to-day job, right? Let's say we click on this one right here. Okay. Actually, let's find one that's a little bit cheaper. Okay. Actually, we'll just go right there to that one. This one right here, from birth to 3 years old, child development. Okay, not bad. Let's click on this one. They sell it for $94.99. Let's just assume they're selling it for right about $20 because Udemy, every once in a while, they do a sale for $10.99 and every single course is included, pretty much. So let's say they sell an average for $19.99 times 275 students. This course would have made this person $5,497. Okay, not bad. Let me show you this. Okay, this course right here, this person, the Seed Institute, they have 5 courses. You see this? This is why this is good money. Okay, we just talked about this. Let's say every single course does right about the same. That means from their 5 courses, they would have made almost $27,500 from 5 courses. Okay, that's pretty good. I don't think anyone's gonna be like, I can't use $27,000. Most people could, all right? So that's what I just want you to understand. Now, let's say you are thinking, okay, I like that. I want to create one on daily routine, right? Daily routine. You're really good with your daily routine. That's what you want to create a course on. Well, how do I start? First off, all you got to do is sign up. Sign up with Udemy and you start putting in your course. Now, let me show you this one. Let's say you want to do this one, okay? This yoga and daily routine, right? Or let's do this morning routine. My 5-step system for morning ritual mastery. Awesome. That's what you need, right? Here's the cool thing. If you come on to udemy.com, you can see it right up here, okay? udemy.com. You can find all these courses. It's absolutely free to look, okay? It just costs money once you want to actually take a course. But look at this. When you scroll down on the page, so that's exactly what I did. Okay, I'm here on the page. This is the front of the page, the top. And I scroll down. And now it shows me all the course content. So if you're wondering, well, I don't know what to put in a course. Well, look at this. All you got to do is come to some of these different courses, and it tells you what they have in their course. It also tells you how long these video sections are. The best thing about Udemy is once you sign up, once you log in, you can upload your videos straight into Udemy. You don't have to host them on YouTube or Wistia or some other platform. It's all here. You don't have to do anything extra. And that's why I really like it. Now, let's say you don't know anything about child development or morning routines. Let's say you know how to flip cars, right? You're really good at flipping cars. Okay? I just typed flip cars. Here we go. How to flip cars like a pro. Car Flip Hero, a simple how-to on flipping any car. eBay, how to find, buy, and flip classic cars on eBay. All these things, good. They're all good. Now, it tells you right here, there's 18 lectures, 2 hours total. This one right here, the bestseller, is 16 lectures, 3.5 total hours. It's for beginners. For beginners, it's all levels. This is why this is so important, because most people never look at this stuff. Most people never think, oh, I could do that. Let's say you know how to sell on eBay. Sell on eBay. That's your topic. That's what you want to educate people on. Well, look at this. eBay dropshipping guide with no inventory, work from home. Sells for $94.99. Has over 9,000 reviews. Okay. Let's just see how many people have actually enrolled in this. So let's assume they still sell theirs for $20, right? $19.99 times 39,241 students. This person would have made $784,000. That's a lot of money to teach people how to do eBay dropshipping, right? And this was last updated over a year ago. So I can tell you right now, there is money in online education. You just got to get out there and start to figure out, what could I create a course on? What do I know? Maybe you're really good at lawn care, right? And you're just really good. You got a green yard. The flowers are always blooming. There's no weeds, no nothing, right? You can come in here, how to make extra money through lawn care. Okay, the best course on how to create and care for lawns. Okay, there's a bunch of different options. That's all I'm telling you is look for the options, because there are so many ways to make money, and the best part is it doesn't take a lot of work in order to start making your very first dollar through online education. Now, here's what I want you to understand when it comes to doing this. As this is, in my opinion, again, this is just my opinion, one of the easiest ways to earn money online as a beginner. Because you create the content one time. You can update it, of course, but you create the content one time, and then you just promote it. Now, you can promote it on your own platforms. There's Twitter, there's YouTube, there's Instagram, there's TikTok, there's Facebook, there's a blog, an email list. The list seriously goes on and on where you can promote these different courses. But here's the cool thing. If somebody just jumps onto udemy.com and they take a course on how to flip cars, they may like it and it may work for them. However, then their next course of action is how to flip classic cars, how to flip classic trucks, how to flip an RV. And then they could go on to not only how to flip an RV, but how to buy an RV with no money down. There's so many options. So the nice thing about Udemy is now they have the buyer's email address. They're going to send them an email tomorrow, next week, next month, next year on different ways that they could expand their knowledge through online education. And one of those courses that they recommend could be yours. So really, you do not need your own platforms. Udemy is going to help you and do the work to promote your course. All you got to do is put your course online. Now, I understand creating a course is scary. You're wondering, well, I don't have a camera. Well, you probably do. If you have a smartphone, you have a camera. If you have a laptop that has a camera on it, okay, that's built in, you have a camera. Or go to Amazon.com and type in, okay, webcam. And then go find a $15 to $25 webcam to start your online education empire. Because I guarantee you, a $15 to $25 camera is well worth the price and well worth the money, because you're going to get much more than that back once you start selling your online courses. So if you have any questions when it comes to online courses, you can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video and you learned something, as always, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.